Today we're going to be cleaning the Smith and Wesson model SW9F weapon. Before you start any gun cleaning, you want to make sure you got a complete safe weapon, no magazine in the magazine well, no rounds in the chamber. So what I'm going to show you is how I clean this weapon. I am not a gunsmith, I am not an expert by any means. This is just how I clean my equipment. I like to use gun scrubber to clean the weapon, and then I like to go back and use Rem oil with Teflon lubricant to lubricate the entire weapon. The system works really good for me. Gun scrubber does a great job in removing all the carbon. Alright, let's get on with this. To take this weapon apart, pull down on a clip, push the trigger in, and it slides up. So you got the bottom half, pistol grip section. Now you got your spring. Put some pressure on it, slide it out. Your barrel, pick it up, slide it forward, and slide it out. And that's your four main pieces right there. Barrel, slide, spring, and your grip. And this is as far as I can break it down. Alright, I'm going to do one thing at a time here. I'll do the barrel first. Spray it all down. Take the barrel brush. Run it through the barrel a few times. Look down the barrel, make sure it's clean. It looks really good. Didn't fire too many rounds through this today. Only did about maybe 50 rounds through this pistol. Now we take our brush and we just scrub it down. Looks good. And we just wipe the inside of the barrel. Yeah, it looks nice. Nice and clean. Not that dirty at all. Alright, I'm going to spray this down. Look at that carbon, just comes right off. Alright, get that all nice and clean. Spray that spring down. Squirt that, clean that up, scrub it a little bit. It's not actually that dirty on this gun. The spring doesn't get dirty at all. What does get dirty is the body or the grip of the pistol. And that stuff just takes it right off. Makes it so much easier to clean. Alright, I think I got most of it out, 99% of it. Alright, now we're going to soak it down with some oil. Take a clean rag and wipe all the parts down. My gloves are falling apart. I always wear gloves when dealing with chemicals, because you just never know. You don't know if you're going to have a reaction to them. Make sure you're in a well-ventilated area also, because there's some nasty chemicals we're using here. As you can see, I double glove. You know, don't need the stuff getting on my skin. And check inside the barrel. Wow. That is nice and clean. Before I put this away, this is a little dirty right here, a little carbon buildup. I'm just going to take the old rag that's still soaked with the chemical and whatnot and just wipe that up a little bit. I think if you watch the other video, I don't take these apart but once a year and go through them really good. The magazines, that is. Other than that, I just wipe them up a little bit on the top here. Get the carbon off the edge. And that's that for that. Now to put this back together, take the barrel. Spring goes in next. The part with the little bump on it. See that? That goes in the front. It sits right in there. Okay. The grip. Line this up. Well, I'm getting powder all over the gun here from my glove. Now, just take it and wipe this thing down one last time, real good. Get a lot of that oil off that doesn't need to be on there. And there you have it. One Smith and Wesson 9mm, clean and ready for target practice. And that's all I got. Y'all take care. Bye-bye.